Welcome to Frywall Fridays. Today we're making braised carrots with capers. It's a great accompaniment to any holiday roast. You have a little bit of sweetness from the carrots, a sharp, zesty saltiness from the capers, a nice herbaceous edge from the parsley. It's a dish that has a lot of bold flavors but also complements a roast really beautifully. Let's get started. We have about a pound of carrots that we've gone ahead and peeled. You ideally want carrots that are nice and thin, about the thickness of your small finger. If you can't find ones like this, go ahead and buy regular carrots and then just cut them into half or quarters. And then we have our parsley, a couple tablespoons of capers, some garlic, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. To start, I'm going to add the 3 tablespoons of olive oil and the garlic, and then set the heat to medium-high. We're going to cook that until the garlic is a light yellow, and then we're going to add the carrots and the parsley and a 1/4 cup of water. We're using a 12-inch pan today because we want all the carrots to fit loosely on the bottom of the pan. And we'll cook this until all the water is evaporated and test for doneness. Most likely we'll add another 1/4 cup of water and let it go some more time. And we could have to do this 3 or 4 times for maybe 20-30 minutes until the carrots are done. That looks like it's ready for a little more water. To test for doneness, I'm going to poke one of the carrots with a fork. Okay, that still needs another 5 minutes or so. I want it to have a little bit of give, but to also be firm, not mushy. Now that looks just about perfect. Now we still have water at the bottom of the pan, so I'm going to go ahead, turn up the heat, and get that liquid evaporated as quickly as possible. So now I'm going to add the capers, a couple grinds of pepper, and then just cook everything for another minute or 2 just to combine the flavors. Alright, those are ready to come off the fire and onto a serving dish. There you have it, braised carrots with capers, the perfect accompaniment to your holiday roast.